What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to solve this example and some other examples regarding adding and subtracting square roots that need simplification. So the first one is 2 over 5 square root of 75 plus 3 over 4 square root of 48. So it's going to be 2 over 5. 75 is 25 times 3 plus 3 over 4, 16 times 3. That makes it 2 over 5. Square root of 25 is 5. 3 over 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Root 3. That makes it 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3 makes it 5 root 3. Next example. So 1 over 2 root 20 minus 2 over 3 root 45. Answer is 1 over 2 root 4 times root 5, 2 over 5 root 9 times 5. That makes it 1 over 2 root square root of 4 is 2 root 5 minus 2 over 3 square root of 9 is 3 root 5. That makes it root 5 minus 2 root 5 makes it negative root 5. Next example is 2 over 3 root 54 minus 3 over 4 square root of 96. The answer is 2 over 3. 54 is root 9 and 6. And here we have 16 and 6. Perfect square from here and perfect square from here. That makes it 2 over 3. Square root of 9 is 3 root 6 minus 3 over 4. Square root of 16 is 4 root 6. That makes it 2 root 6 minus 3 root 6 makes it negative root 6. Next example is 1 over 6 root 27 minus 3 over 8 root 48. That makes it, the answer will be 1 over 6 root 9, 3 minus 3 over 8, 16 root 3. That makes it 1 over 6, 3 root 3 minus 3 over 8, 4 root 3. Which is gonna be 1 over 2 root 3 minus 3 over 2 root 3. That makes it negative 2 over 2 root 3, or basically negative root 3. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.